Understanding the phrase, use an easel. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the phrase, use an easel. This phrase is common in the world of art and creativity, but it's also a great example to understand English in a broader context. So, let's dive in and learn together. An easel is a stand used by artists to hold their canvas or paper while they work. It's a key tool in painting and drawing, enabling artists to work comfortably and efficiently. Easels can be made of various materials like wood or metal and come in different sizes. Understanding what an easel is the first step in grasping the phrase, use an easel. When someone says, use an easel, they are typically suggesting or instructing to utilize this tool for artistic purposes. It implies setting up the easel, placing the canvas or paper on it, and then proceeding with the artistic work. This phrase can be used literally in an art context or metaphorically in other scenarios, implying the need for proper support or structure in an activity. Let's look at some examples. During the art class, the instructor asked the students to use an easel for their landscape paintings. If you use an easel, your back won't hurt as much after a long day of painting. These sentences show how the phrase can be used in everyday conversation. For English language learners, understanding phrases like use an easel is important not just for vocabulary building but also for cultural context. Art plays a significant role in many English-speaking countries, and phrases like this can open a window into understanding these cultures better. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, use an easel, and why it's useful in both the art world and in learning English. Remember, every phrase you learn is a step closer to mastering the language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.